Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today my video is based upon Glenmark Life Sciences IPO. As you all aware that today itself the company has announced that they are coming with an IPO for next week. Okay, so the thing is that today also they have clarified that there would be no shareholder quota for the Glenmark Pharmaceutical shareholders. So this is very means you can say very sad news, not a good news basically, because everybody was predicting that if you have any single share in your demat account for Glenmark Pharmaceutical, then you would be eligible for Glenmark Life Sciences IPO. But nevertheless, if the company decision is there, then we can't do anything. So let's focus on Glenmark Life Sciences IPO, which is coming on next week. So let me tell you that Glenmark Life Sciences, the company has incorporated in 2011. Okay, it has the manufacturing and supply of high quality of cardiovascular diseases, central nervous system diseases, pain management and diabetes. The basically it is in pharmaceutical industry basically. Okay, so it has the export in Europe, North America, Latin America, Japan. Okay, so it's a very good company. And if I tell you the profit, then from last 3 years the company is creating a very good profit. In 2019 the profit was 1955 million, in 2020 it was 3130 million, and whereas in 2021 3515 million. So here you can see every year the profit has been increased, and with a good margin it is increasing. So if we talk about the important dates basically, so the dates are 27 July is the opening date for the IPO and closing date is 29th of July. Okay, so the price is not mentioned, but if what I am getting the information from the market is it would be around 720 to 725 would be the price band, and the listing would be on BSE as well as NSE on both the exchanges. And after closing the date, important date would be like allotment date would be around 3rd of August, refund would be 4th of August, credit of share into your demat account by 5th of August, whereas the IPO listing date would be 6th of August. Okay, and if I talk about the registrar of the company, then registrar of the company is KFin Tech. So this is the website where you can able to see the allotment for this particular IPO. So that's it. The IPO is very good. Just focus on this. Just remember these particular dates, the opening and closing of the dates. Okay, and apply with full force. Okay, thank you so much.